Brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created something known as the blue whale. This blue whale can live and grow up to 100 feet. What do you think this creation of Allah eats? The experts say that this blue whale lives off another creation of Allah known as krill. Krill. And this krill is 1 to 2 centimeters in size. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. So how much krill must this mighty creation eat? And the experts say that it eats 3.6 metric tons of krill during some days. Look at how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides 3.6 metric tons of krill for this mighty creation of His subhanahu wa ta'ala. O servants of Allah and O children of Adam, having tawakkul that my sustenance is there for me. Allah has given us a brain to ponder over the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that teaches us that indeed we have a Rabb and He's a living Rabb and He is the provider. And we should put our trust in Him. And we should not forsake that which we have to do for the sake of this dunya. Rather, we take the means and do that which is in our control and put our trust in Allah, knowing that He's the provider.